Anumang suffering na iyong pinagdadaanan, financial, relational, emotional, what you suffer doesn't define who you are. I just want to encourage somebody today that tomorrow doesn't have to be a repeat of yesterday. Let me repeat. Tomorrow doesn't have to be a repeat of yesterday. Hindi porket nangyari sa iyo kahapon, kailangan mangyari pa rin kinabukasan. You can change your life. You can change the direction of your life by changing the way you think. Anumang suffering na iyong pinagdadaanan, financial, relational, emotional, what you suffer doesn't define who you are. Amen? Hindi porket bumagsak ka, you are a failure. Hindi porket nagkamali ka, you are a mistake. What you suffer doesn't define who you are. Do not quit until you're done. Hanggat hindi pa tapos ang Panginoon sa iyo. Just keep pressing forward and continue. The best days of your life is ahead of you, not behind you. It's in the next weeks and the next months to come. Huwag kang susuko, kapatid. I know you've been overwhelmed. I know you are tired. You know what? God knows exactly what you are going through. Alam ng Diyos that you are tired. Kung pagod ka, magpahinga. Walang mali. Just don't quit.